'tis the season for holiday shopping, decorating, and fun. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the perfect shopping scene inside of a wrapped present. That's right, we're going to take a cardboard box, open it up, and create the perfect shopping scene with our facade and our girls' shopping trip. Are you guys ready? Let's start crafting. Any cardboard box will do. If you've got one with a lid, go ahead and take the lid off and wrap it. If you're using a cardboard box that's got flaps, cut your flaps off and wrap the remaining part of the box, leaving an opening. Because the inside of our box is brown, we're going to put our wrapping paper on the side and back walls. All right, our last step, we're gonna go ahead and put our lid on, which will make it look like a present. And now I'm gonna make a bow for the top. Don't forget to cut a small slit in the corner of the box so your power cord can fit through. Now it's time to create our village inside of our present. I'm going to start with a snowy styrofoam platform, making sure that my power cord can reach up. Next, I'm going to put in my Christmas city and make sure that I plug it in. How fun is that shopping village all lit up? I know I want to shop there. We're gonna finish setting up our scene. I'm gonna add in some greenery in the back. Before I add in my accessories, I'm gonna create my winter wonderland with my faux snow. What every shopping village needs is, of course, a girls' shopping trip. How fun are these little accessories? And then to finish it off, I'll add in just a few more of my favorite Lemax accessories. And to complete our setup, let's add a few more wrapped gifts. I love how easy it was to create this present display. Imagine putting it on a table or even next to your Christmas tree. Remember that you can find out more about all of the Lemax pieces that I used today at lemaxcollection.com and find authorized retailers where you can purchase them. How beautiful is the inside of this present box? It even looks great and illuminated when you turn the lights off. All right, for more great ideas and DIY villages, make sure you follow Lemax on social. Happy decorating and happy holidays.